Today we're going to talk about what is that cracking and popping sound you hear at the chiropractor. So many people ask me, are you actually cracking and breaking bones when you're doing an adjustment? And the answer is no, we're not actually cracking and breaking your bones when we do an adjustment. But nobody seems to understand or know what that sound exactly is. So allow me to explain. There's no empty space in the body, so when something may move out of position, there's gas or a little bit of air that gets trapped in there. And so when we provide or perform an adjustment, that gas is being released. So what that sound is just gas being released from the joint in between the two bones. So nothing's cracking and nothing's popping, which is why we call it getting adjusted. Life is meant to be celebrated. Why not live it to your fullest potential? Check us out online at favoritechiropractor.com.